Just look at this crazy size of the batura. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm at a place called the Bara Bazaar, right? And I spotted this, a shop here. And the name of the shop is Abhinandan, right? And they sell the veg food, right? And I'm gonna try the chola bhatura of this shop. So without wasting any more time, sir, guys, let's dive into the food and show you the type of food that they sell here. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. Watch the vlog till the end, it will be fun. Let's go. Right guys, so the name of the shop is Abhinandan, right? And they sell pure veg. Now let's explore and show you the type of food that they sell here, right? Hello brother, good afternoon. So these guys here, they make the batura, right? Which is the bread. Look guys, the way they make this in this giant pot, right? And you see this, tandoor. Well, you see this tandoor here, right? So they make the bread, a bread called naan, right? So just look at this crazy crowd here, right? Well, here in the street of Kolkata. Now let me just squeeze in there and show you the type of food that they have on that showpiece, I guess. That's what you call that, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, let's squeeze in, guys. Hello brother, good afternoon. How are you? You're fine? Great. Look guys, so this is the veg pulao, right? And this is the veg biryani. And this is a sweet called the gajar halwa. Gajar is the carrot, right? And this is the gulab jamun, right? If you tried this and you love this, you let me know in the comment, right? And there's the mixed veg, and they have this paneer paratha, right? Paneer is the cottage cheese, right? I believe you have tried egg roll, cheese roll and chicken roll and all sort of rolls, right? It's like a wrap, right? But here in India, you call this roll. And this is the gulab jamun, right? Which is the sweet dish. So guys, in a minute, right, I'm gonna try this bread called the batura, right? Just look at that. The size of it is enough for a person, right? If you are a small eater, one bread will be enough for you. That's how it is. And what do they have here? What is this, brother? Dhokla. Guys, if you know what is this, you let me know in the comment. But you call this dhokla, right? And this is some sort of a fried item. What is this? Oh, this is the cottage cheese pakora. So pakora basically is something that is like, deep fried in the oil with some batter on it, right? And that's the cottage cheese pakora. Okay, now what do they have there? Let me go there and show you. Let's go. The crowd is insane, guys, Look here. Now, what is this? Dada, ye kya hai? Khasta. Guys, this one is the khasta kachori, right? And this is the dahi vada. Dahi is the yogurt, right? And that is some sort of a, fried item that they soak in this yogurt is called the dahi vada. And this is the samosa, but in a different shape, right? And yeah. Now look, this brother is gonna make the bread in this tandoor, right? Hello brother, kaise ho aap? How are you? You're great, fine. So आप ये क्या बनाने जा रहे हैं? Tandoori roti. Okay. So guys, look, this brother is making this tandoori roti. It's crazy, you know. The heat is insane. This guy is very strong, you know. He has strong hands, you know. Look the way he does this. Oh my goodness. Look. And this will you see those bubbles, guys? That's crazy, right? Well, you can make barbecue in this, right? You just have to, you know, cut this drum a half, and you know you can make the barbecue, right? It's crazy. Look guys, this roti is ready. It's called the tandoori roti, right? Look guys. You know, this was cooked within a minute, and they applied this, you know, purified butter, right? Butter ki ghee? Butter. This is the Amul butter, right? If you love butter, you let me know. I love butter. Look guys. So, butter roti, butter tandoori roti. And they have this pizza cutter if you want to, you know, cut that in 4 or 3 slices, right? That's how it is, guys. Guys, this one is called the Malai Kofta. Oh, this is the Palak Paneer. Palak is the spinach and the cottage cheese, right? This is the Dal Makhani, guys.
Matar paneer.
This is the Matar Paneer. Wow. And this one?
Curry pakora.
Oh, this is the curry pakora, guys. Wow, delicious.
Aloo dum.
This is the aloo dum, right? So they have. This is the vinegar pickled onion. Hello dude, कैसे हो तू? How are you? अच्छा, look guys, so this bro is gonna make the batura that I'm gonna have, right? Look guys. So he's, you know, flattening that with that wooden stick, and that's how they fry this. This hot piping oil, and just you know, look at this crazy, you know, pan. It's called the karai here in India, right? Not only Kolkata, but everywhere in India you call this pan karai, right? But it's massive in size. It can cook about 1,000 people food at once, right? That's crazy. Look guys, my batura is ready. Now let's try this. So guys, they give this batura and some veg, you know, biryani and some chickpeas and the cottage cheese as well. And this is the pickled onion, right? With some pickle and some chili. Look guys, if you love veg food, you will definitely, you know, love this. Just look at this crazy size of the batura, right? It's just so big, like, you know, almost my palm size, right? So first, let me try this, you know, veg biryani, right? Well, they have this soybeans and some cottage cheese in it. Cheers, guys. And let's take a bite of the pickled onion, right? Now finally let's try the chola bhature, right? after a long wait. Now they give this, curry which is made with cottage cheese and some, chickpeas, right? Well, I'm gonna take the curry, and here we are. Cheers, guys. And chili. If you love chili, guys, you should come and try this, veg thali right here in a place called the Abhinandan, right? In a place called the Bara Bazaar, and it's very very crowded, right? This place is like super crowded, and I have no one to hold the phone. I just requested one of the workers from the shop to hold the phone for me, but it's very difficult to make the video here. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. The food is very tasty. You should come and try this, right? The honking is crazy, guys. This is India, man. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace, and please subscribe. Cheers, guys. Take care. Guys, this brother is so nice, right? Out of love, he gave me a sweet called the gulab jamun, right? That is very kind of you, brother. Thank you. And if anybody wants to try your food, kahan par aana padega? Where do they have to come?
22 Bartala Street, near Sakdine City.
22 Bartala Street, guys. You heard that right here in a place called the Bara Bazaar. Gulab jamun, right? Let's take a bite of this. It's very hot, right? And it's very soft as well. Here we go, guys. Cheers for some dessert, right? That's very hot, guys, and very sweet, right? If you try this, you let me know. And yeah, love you guys. Take care. Peace out. Please subscribe.